The Bhakra Dam is built on which river? Satluj River. What is the imaginary lines that connects the North Pole to the South Pole? Longitudinal lines. Which is the highest military award of peace? Ashoka Chakra. Where is the headquarters of UNESCO? Paris, France. Which instrument is connected to Pandit Ravi Shankar? Sitar. In which place Gautama Buddha died? Kushinagar. When was the Constituent Assembly declared Jana-Gana-mana as the national anthem of India? January 24, 1950. Where is the only active volcano in India? Barren Island. Who is known as Metro Man of India? Mr. E. Sridharan. Where is the headquarters of the World Trade Organization? Geneva, Switzerland. When was National Anthem of India first sung? The 27th of December 1911. Who founded Shantiniketan? Rabindranath Tagore. What is the percentage of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere? 0.03%. What is the maximum duration between the two sessions of Parliament? 6 months. In which state is the Sambhar Lake situated? Rajasthan. Which country has kangaroo as its national emblem? Australia. Which country has the largest postal system in the world? India. What is the length of cricket pitch? 22 yards. On which river is Sardar Sarovar Dam built? Narmada River. Which state is the largest producer of peanut in India? Gujarat. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Lord Canning. Who made the famous rock garden in Chandigarh? Nek Chand Saini. Who is known as Frontier Gandhi? Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Which game is related to Deepika Kumari? Archery. Which is the world's largest peninsula? Arabian Peninsula.